Victoria records 17 coronavirus deaths on Australia's deadliest day of pandemic so far. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. Australia has recorded its deadliest day of the coronavirus pandemic so far, after 17 people died in Victoria in the 24 hours between Saturday and Sunday. 10 of the 17 deaths were linked to aged care homes, and the state also recorded 394 new cases of COVID-19, Premier Daniel Andrews announced. Sunday's figures surpassed the previous deadliest day Wednesday when Victoria reported 15 deaths, including a man in his 30s. A second man in his 30s died in the state on Saturday. On Sunday morning, Andrews announced that the 17 deaths included 2 men in their 50s, 4 men in their 70s, 4 women and 2 men in their 80s and 2 men and 3 women in their 90s. Victoria also recorded an additional 174 cases with an unknown source, bringing the state's total to 2,758. A total of 634 people are in hospital with COVID-19, 43 people are receiving intensive care, and 26 people are on ventilators. The state's mental health minister, Martin Foley, also revealed that there had been a 9.5% increase in emergency presentation for self-harm in the state compared with the same time last year. For young people, there was a 33% increase. Foley announced an additional $59.7 in funding for mental health, focusing on the surge in demand for acute services. On Saturday night, the state's health minister, Jenny Mikakos, also posted a long thread on Twitter saying she had strived to be upfront and measured about any potential mistakes in Victoria's health response and had given every ounce of energy she had to her role. Mikakos also hit back at what she called the incorrect assumption that she can single-handedly report on the actions of countless individuals and many agencies involved in our pandemic response. When we have to look back 100 years to the Spanish flu to find a pandemic of comparable global magnitude, it's outside all of our collective experiences, she wrote. It means there is no detailed go-to manual. Australia has recorded its deadliest day of the coronavirus pandemic so far, after 17 people died in Victoria in the 24 hours between Saturday and Sunday. 10 of the 17 deaths were linked to aged care homes, and the state also recorded 394 new cases of COVID-19, Premier Daniel Andrews announced. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.